Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to index a WordPress blog post in Google Search Console. This is my WordPress blog and this is the article I want to index. Let's first visit it. First, copy the page URL from your browser and go to your Google Search Console account. Make sure that you are selecting your correct website from this list if you have multiple websites. Now paste here your blog post URL just like that and hit enter. Wait a moment. As you can see, this blog post URL is not indexed on Google yet, and to do so, click on request indexing and wait a moment. As you see, indexing is requested. Click on dismiss. And to verify your indexing request after a few days, just copy your page URL just like that and look for site two dots. Now paste your blog post URL and hit enter. If your blog post does not show up here, it means that it is not indexed yet. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger, hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.